Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers and my new subscribers, you are all welcome. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do a protective hairstyle on natural hair, and I'm using multi hair expression product color 30. As you can see guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and make sure you turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step of doing this lovely hairstyle. First thing, you need to achieve this hairstyle on a clean hair. After that, you go ahead and you begin to comb the hair. As you can see, you need to comb it gently because natural hair can be so painful. So guys, you need to comb it gently. After when you are done with the combing aspect, you go ahead and use your brush just to brush the edges to make it smooth. Then after that, you go ahead and you section the hair into 4 equal parts. Can you see guys, you section it into 4. Then you're taking small from the 4 parts. You're taking small from the middle just for you to achieve the middle part, just to make it fuller. Can you see guys? Just so after that, you comb the front one together. Can you see? Now you section it into 3. You section that front aspect into 3, so everything is now 5, not 4. Can you see guys? 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the middle one, that's 6. So now guys, let's get started for the tutorial. Please stay tuned and watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step of doing this lovely hairstyle. Now you are doing this lovely cornrow by applying a little pattern just to beautify the hairstyle. As you can see, you make one long one, then you cornrow the small one at the middle. As you can see what I'm doing here guys, so you're doing this just to beautify the hairstyle. Please make sure the hair is not too tight and make sure you hold it firm. I keep saying it in all my videos, don't make it too tight. Some people believe when the hair is over tight, that is when the beauty will comes out. No, just make sure you hold it firm. Can you see guys? Just pay attention and watch this video from the beginning to the end, and let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this hairstyle. So now guys, this is where we are going to, can you see? You just section it inside from the other side. Can you see guys? I don't know how to explain this particular side, but please watch this video from the beginning to the end. You will understand what I'm actually doing here guys. So can you see, I'm doing this just to give it a beautiful pattern and just to make it look very nice. Can you see? Hold it firm, then you keep going, and I'm almost done with one side, and I still have like 2 more to braid. Can you see at the front aspect? Because we section everything into 3 at the front, while the back is 2. So now we are done with the first one. Now we want to do the same thing on the second part. You spray your water, you know it's natural hair, to be more easier for you to comb. Then you begin to repeat the same thing you did at the first one, you repeat it on the second one, and that's how you keep going gradually. You repeat the same thing at the other one too, as in the third one. So it's still the same design. As you can see, I'm done with the second one, and this is the third one I'm doing here guys. Just make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. You can also share this video to your loved ones. Can you see guys? You use the same pattern. And you can also use another pattern that you wish to use just to make sure the cornrow look very beautiful. Can you see we are done? Now this is the back aspect. As you can see, this one doesn't need any pattern, doesn't need any design. Just make it all back, straight all back. Can you see, guys? And this is the last one here. I want to cornrow. Can you see? Hold it firm, not too tight. You keep going. So guys, can you see how neat the cornrow is looking like? When you hold it firm, you notice the hair will look beautiful. So now I'm done with the cornrow. So now I want to attach the multi to make it a lovely ponytail. So what you guys need to do here, the middle one, you just section it into two and you braid it. The reason why I use this method, I want the ponytail to be high. I don't want it to look flat. Can you see? So you mat the tips together. Can you see, guys? Just mat everything together. The tip, you stuck it inside, then use your hand to fold it very well. After that, you need your needle and thread to secure this particular one to hold it firm, because you still need your crochet pin just to attach the multi to make it more beautiful. So make sure you tack it very well to secure it. Can you see, guys? You tack it very well. So I love this method because it's not making the ponytail look flat. It's making it to be higher, and my clients actually love it. So guys, just pay attention. And this is the multi I'm going to install to the hair. Can you see, guys? This is how it looks like. So I'm not cutting it because I want it to be long, and if your client wants it shorter, that means you're cutting it into two. But this particular one is just the way it is. We are not cutting it. She wants it longer. So after that, you begin to loosen it, as in you remove three from one strand, as you can see, guys. Then you pick up your crochet pin and you begin to crush it to the tip, the one you secure with needle and thread. Can you see? So I love starting from this center because I found it very easy for me at the end of the whole thing. But when I start from the down, the top will not be full the way I want it. So I love starting from that tip. So guys, can you see? And this is how the hair is going to look like. Well done. Can you see? You go ahead and you apply your washing, your moons, your spray gel, whatever. You control the edges, and this is the final look of the hair. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next tutorial, and please leave a comment below and let me know if you guys love this hairstyle. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.